Under Kansas's big sky, we can't help but look up. All that blue makes us want to climb higher, reach farther, do more. Soaring vistas inspire soaring ambition. Boundless horizons inspire boundless creativity. Vast skies inspire us to make vast improvements to people's everyday lives. At KU, every new day presents an opportunity. With our feet planted on the ground and our eyes trained on the future, we ask, what new discovery does today hold? How close are we to the next cure? What new invention will launch us from today into tomorrow? And then we get to work. The sky is bigger here, a destination rather than a ceiling. So until we reach our vision for a better world, we will continue towering toward the blue.